I have a 2012 Ram 1500 Laramie. Day I drove it off the showroom lot. A little piece broke out of the center console hatch. 100,000 miles later, the other side failed. So saw a lot of videos out there about how to fix it when it won't close, when it won't latch closed. Didn't see anything out there about how to fix it when it won't open. So not that bad, pretty easy to deal with, and I'll show you how to take care of that today. So these are the pieces that broke out yesterday. You can see they go around a post. I'll show you where that is once I remove the unit. Alright, I'm going to show you what I needed to do to get the lid open. So basically, this piece here is broken. So I pull up and it's not causing the latch to push back so I can get out of the box. So what I found is if I push this in, so here's the problem. But if I push down, I can get it to open. So that's what I was trying to do. So when I just pull up like this, it doesn't engage. But if I push down, you hear the click. What's left of those post holds get back onto that post, and then I can lift it back that way. As far as replacing the unit, pretty easy. You will need to have a star driver. Part number on this one is ORVT20. No idea what that means. So I lined what was left. And it was just enough to grab it so I can get the console open. So here's my replacement part. 25 bucks on eBay, but actually came from a local dealership. It's brown, but I'm in sew up mode. I actually checked my order after the fact, and it was in fact brown, listed on the website. I just didn't notice it. But since nobody will really see this, and the part is here, and it was free shipping, and it was the cheapest one, I'm going to go ahead and install this. Okay, the color contrast looks horrid, but it works. And the only way you'll see it is if you're down here looking from this direction, and I can live with function over beauty right now. So if you like the video, if it helps, hit the like button. But that's how you open up a stuck lid. Replacement parts readily available, and replacing it is a piece of cake. Good luck.